Number 9. Heinrich travels to England to buy some clothes. He changes 3,000 euros to British pounds at the rate of 1 euro to 0.8524. The bank charges 1.5% commission. Okay, find how many euros the bank charges for commission. Okay, so so in this case we're going to find the commission before we even do the exchange, right? Because it asks for the euro amount for the commission. So we got 3,000 euros, and we want to know what 1.5% is. Be 0.015, right? So that would be 3,000 times, oops, too many zeros, times 0.015. I multiplied 1.5% times 0.01 to get the decimal. So that's equal to 45 euros. Okay? 45 euros is the commission, and that is the answer to part A. Part B, find how much Heinrich receives for his 3,000 euros. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the 3,000 and we're going to subtract out the 45. And we get 2,955. So we start out with 2,955 euros. And then we're going to convert that using the yellow exchange rate. So we got 1 euro in the denominator so that it cancels out. And then in the numerator we have 0.8524 GBP. Okay? And when we multiply that out, we get 2,955 times 0.8524. So we get 2,518.84 GBP. All right, that was the answer to part B. Finally, he spends 2,100 GBP on clothes and changes the remaining money back into euros at an exchange rate of GBP equals 1.161 euros. This time the bank does not charge any commission. Okay, so first I'm going to subtract out 2,100. So I'm going to do 2,518.89, and I'm going to subtract out the 2,100 that he spent on clothes. So that would be minus 2,100. Oh, it's 2,518.84, not 89, sorry. So that's going to be 418.84. That is GBP. Okay. Then I'm going to convert it. I'm going to convert it using this rate here. So in the numerator, or the denominator, I'm going to have 1 GBP so that the units cancel out. And on the top, I'm going to have 1.161 euros. And then I'm going to multiply the two top numbers, 418.84 times 1.161. 486.27 euros. Okay? All right. That's it for that one, because the bank didn't charge any commission. Nothing to subtract out there. Number 10. A prize of $500 is awarded to 3 international students. Irma converts her prize money into rupees at an exchange rate of $1 is 44.951 Indian rupees. Calculate how many rupees she receives. Okay, so we got $500, and we're going to multiply that times this exchange rate, which is $1 to 44.95 IDR. And the US dollars are going to cancel out. and then it's going to be 500 times 44.95, which gives me 22475. 22475 IDR. Now, you may say, oh, but we need decimal places, 2 decimal places, but this is 2 decimal places. If you wanted to give 2 decimal places, it would be 0.00, okay? Jose converts his prize money into Chilean pesos at an exchange rate of $1 to 468.9 Chilean pesos. His bank charges 2% commission. Okay, so that would be part B. So part B is one thing I don't know is they said a prize of $500 is awarded to 3 international students. I don't know if they're saying that the $500 divided equally among the 3 international students, or if they're saying that each person receives $500. I don't know, but we can make an adjustment for that at the end. Okay. So Jose converts his prize money into Chilean pesos at an exchange rate of 468.9 Chilean pesos per $1. So 500 times 468.9 gives me 2,344.50 Chilean pesos. He also says that the bank charges 2% commission. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 2% out from this. Another way to subtract 2% commission out of this is to multiply it by 98%, right? Because 98% is what's left after you subtract out 2%. So I could do times 0.98. Oops, sorry about that. This times 0.98. So that gives me, if I subtract out minus 2% commission, I get 229,761 Chilean pesos. Okay. Now there's a variation. What if the idea was that they gave $500 split 3 ways to the international students? Okay. So to do that, I'm going to do that in blue. Okay. So I'm going to take 22475 and I'm going to divide it by 3. So 224.75 divided by 3. So that gives me 74.92 IDR. Okay, so that's a possible answer if they're saying that they're going to split the money. Now I need to let's see, and then if I'm going to do that for this one, I divide 229,761 by 3. 229,761 divided by 3. 76587 Chilean pesos. Okay, so that's if they divide among 3 people. Because I think it's kind of weird that they never even mention the third person, right? They just talk about the Indian person and the Chilean person, and there's no other person, which is odd. Okay, that's it for page. What is this? Page 10? No, page 9.